Excuse me, is that apple for sale? Yeah, we're about to put it on sale right now, actually. Well, I'm in the market, so tell me about your apple. Why should I buy it? Nice try. Okay, people, here's how this is going to work. I have an apple here. The highest bidder's going home with this. I want all bids in the next 2 minutes, then we're closing it. Bidding starts at $5.
Feeling pretty confident there, huh? I mean, don't you think?
$10.
He said starting at 5.
15.
Is this a new apple?
Yeah, just listed. I'm pre-qualified. I'll pay cash. I got cash. 20.
The GTA market was on fire in the first quarter of 2021, but it's starting to slow down, and that is a good thing. I'll tell you why in this video. My name is Sam Najjar, and I'm a real estate broker with Royal LePage. Thank you for tuning in. Sales and average selling prices were headed to the stratosphere in the first quarter of 2021. If we look at the total sales that took place in the first quarter of last year, you can see we were right around 20,000, but look at this year. We're over 33,000, which is an increase of 69%. If we look at average prices over the same quarter, it was $884,000 last year, and it's over $1 million now, or an increase of 17.3%. What drives prices is the months of inventory. Look at this chart. We have 1.1 months of inventory in January and below 1 for February and March. Remember, 4 to 6 is a balanced market, below 4 is a seller's market, and above 6 is a buyer's market. What this means is that there were many multiple offers on almost every single listing that was going on the market. Demand was exceedingly strong, inventories were low, and property values soared to levels far outside the norms in small and large markets across Canada, and for different types of properties, including cottage properties and properties with pools, which have become more desirable than ever. These factors increased mortgage borrowing, and the overall conditions added to Canadian households' heavy debt load. High immigration numbers and strong labor markets had housing demand outpacing supply before the pandemic. The pandemic cranked up the heat. The drop in interest rates to rock bottom levels, the changing housing needs as a result of work from home protocols, the reduced travel, COVID, and surging household savings have all stoked demand. Overheated markets threaten the stability of the economy down the road if or when a correction occurs, with heavy costs for governments. Canada hasn't had a market overheating of this scope since the late 1980s. What are some of the details in the new stress test coming into effect June 1st, 2021? This rule will apply to all mortgages, meaning clients will have to be approved at the higher rate of 5.25% when they apply for a loan. This new stress test will be effective June 1st. Any files that were previously approved and closing after June 1st will be grandfathered. What do we expect to see the rest of the year? We're going to see recovering employment across the board. We're going to see interest rates continuing to be low, at least for the foreseeable future. We're going to see the price advantage that pulled people out of the major city centers get smaller, and people having a lesser incentive to move to further away cities and towns. And we're going to see further pressure on the supply of housing with increased household formation from the standpoint of immigration, residents like students coming back, and investors becoming active again. Before the market heats again, it'll slow down a bit until we start adjusting to the realities of new stress testing. We're actually already starting to experience a shift in the market since the mortgage rule announcement. In my opinion, that's a great thing. Things are more balanced, and buyers and sellers can negotiate fairly and squarely and make the most informed decision possible that they can make that will serve them. At the end of the day, I always tell my seller clients who've gotten accustomed to getting more, everything is relative. If you sell for a lower price today, you will also buy for a lower price, and vice versa. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy or sell, or you're just curious to know what's happening in your local market, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'd love to hear from you. In the meantime, please like and share this video, and if you are watching on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button or follow me on Facebook, on Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Instagram to get all the latest videos and market information. Have a great day, everybody, and stay safe. And until next time, take care of yourselves. Bye.